Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Press the Xbox button and open Microsoft Edge from My Games and Apps. Use the controller to highlight Edge and press it to launch it. Sign into your Microsoft account to sync favorites and history across devices. In Edge, move to the address bar by pressing Y and select it. Type Google.com with the on-screen keyboard or a connected physical keyboard. Sign into your Google account if you want personalized results and saved settings. Use the on-screen keyboard, a USB keyboard, or the Xbox mobile app keyboard to enter queries. To open the mobile keyboard, pair your phone with the Xbox app and tap the keyboard icon. Select the Google search box and type keywords, then press Enter to run the search. Scroll results using the left thumbstick and highlight links you want to open. Press it to open a result in the current tab or press menu for more options. Open Google.com, press the menu button on your controller, and choose Pin to Home. Pinning creates a home tile for one-click access to Google from your Xbox dashboard. To keep quick links inside the browser, press Y and select Add to Favorites for specific pages or tools. Name the favorite clearly so you can find it later using the controller. If you want multiple quick searches, create several favorites and organize them in Edge for faster browsing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.